So I thought I would change out my Suzuki Samurai grill to this grill with these new LED halo lights. So this will be a video showing me doing it. First, we have to take off the old grill, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, now that we've got the old grill out, now we got to take the headlights out. And we'll do that now. So, okay, there are this ring that goes around the headlight, and I have to loosen that up and then slide it into here and loosen that one up, and there's one down here. Don't know if I can get it. Loosen that one up, and then you twist the light. We're gonna do that now. Now we got the ring off. We just have to disconnect the headlight, which is right here. Now we got that disconnected. You can just pull the light right out. There we go. All right, now we got the grill off, the headlights out. Now we just have to put the new LED headlights in. But before we do that, we need a special harness. But just to review, remove the grill, loosen up 3 screws, turn the silver ring, unplug the headlights, and they come out. Now onto the harness. So Suzuki Samurai, and I think some Toyotas, are negatively switched on the headlight circuit. So we need a harness, because most headlights that you buy are positively switched. So I'll put a link in the description for the harness that you should buy for a negatively switched circuit. So here's how the harness is going to work. So this is going to go to the positive on the battery. Those are your relays. This is going to plug into your new LED light. This is going to plug into your OEM headlight connector. This is a ground. You're going to ground it to the chassis. And then over here, it's the same thing. You're going to ground this to the chassis, and this is going to plug into your new LED light, and you're not going to use the OEM plug on this side. So we're going to do that now. So we've got the harness temporarily kind of laid out. So this is the orange plug that goes to the new LED. This is the black plug that goes to the OEM plug. This is the daytime driving lights wire, which I am now going to splice into the side marker light. So we're going to splice that into there. We'll see how it goes. So on my headlights that I bought, and I'll put a link in the description, I have a red connection and a green connection. The red connection is going to go to the side marker lights. That's going to give me daytime running lights. And the green is going to go to the signal, the turn signals. And hopefully I will have an amber halo blinking when the turn signals are on. Okay, so we spliced the red wire off of the new LED light, right? And we spliced it into the side marker light. Now we'll see if we get a halo. Let's check it out. Okay, so now we have high, low, and driving lights. Now we want to get amber blinking lights. So you have to do the same thing. I'm going to splice into this green wire, which is the turn signals. I'm just going to do the same thing. Hopefully we'll get turn signals. See how it goes. Okay, so we have turn signals. Woo.